Hi there, it's Faye from Unravel and Unwind, and I'd like to welcome you back to another Christmas present unboxing. So this year I bought all of my Christmas presents from UK selling site MadeMe.co.uk. It's a selling site for UK artists and crafters, a bit like Etsy, only smaller scale. And I decided let's support lots of other local independent businesses this year, as it's 2020 and it's been a bit naff. So it seemed only fair to support other artists like myself. So today we're opening this one. I wonder if we can hear what's in there. Okay, so we have bells. This one is for our grandchildren. Yes, believe it or not, I have grandchildren. There are 6 of them. They're not from my children, they're from Mark's children. So these came from Twigs Toadstools. So I had to look at my notes. Twigs Toadstools. I could have looked at that. She's put a little thank you pack in with her business card, Twigs Toadstools, and you've got all the info on the back there. So I'll put that in the descriptions below. I wasn't expecting 6 mini candy canes. So what I'll do is each one of these candy canes I'm going to put with each one of these presents as a little treat for the grandchildren. I thought it'd be really nice for them to have a new Christmas decoration to go on their tree. Little white bells. Let's take this one out. There's 6 of them, one for each child. First time I've actually opened these. So we've got the little tie, lovely satin filled tie to hang it on the tree. Lovely little ribbon, and they're all personalised. Each one has got their names on. So this one says Elsie believes, and she really does believe. And they've also got little charms. So you've got the year 2020 and a little believe charm on there as well. So they're commemorative to remind them of 2020, which has been a pretty naff year for most people. So there's Elsie's one. Yes, they jingle. That's going to irritate their parents. It was a custom order. At the time of ordering, she only had a couple available, so I messaged her directly. There's Archie, and he was able to do 6 for me. And Grace, the eldest, and they'll each get one of the candy canes. I just think they're really pretty. So thank you very much, Twigs Toadstools, especially for the sweets. They will thank you for that. I think their mums will adore these, especially one of them who absolutely adores Christmas. So thank you for joining me today. Thank you for joining us on this series of Christmas present unboxings. If you have enjoyed the videos, please give them a like. If you want to see more of our content, subscribe to our channel, click the bell for notifications so that you know when we upload new videos. And if you would like some other content, join us on patreon.com for patterns, workshops, craft and chats, and our new video series that's coming up, which are video patterns and chat shows with crochet designers with varying topics that we will talk about each month. Thank you for joining us, and I look forward to seeing you again soon.